A major trial starts today in San Angelo with deep ties to our area. This case goes back nearly 3 decades. That's when Michael Morton was first convicted in the death of his wife Christine in Williamson County. He wrongly served 25 years for the murder, but thanks to the re-examination of the case, DNA evidence pointed to a new suspect, Mark Norwood. Jury selection is underway right now, about 3.5 hours away from Austin in the West Texas town of San Angelo. And our Chris Sadeghi is there with a closer look at today's developments.
That same DNA evidence that exonerated Michael Morton also put the focus on Mark Norwood, and now it's Norwood who will stand trial for the murder of Christine Morton 27 years later. Norwood arrived here to the courthouse around 8:30 and was put into a wheelchair before being taken inside. At a recent hearing, he said that he'd stopped eating because food was making him sick. He also requested a new attorney. That was something that the judge denied. There was a long line of potential jurors waiting to get into the courthouse this morning. This trial was moved to San Angelo for the purpose of finding an impartial jury, something the judge did not feel was possible in Williamson County, where the Michael Morton case has captured so much attention. And once the jury is seated, opening arguments will begin. In addition to that DNA evidence that we know will be a part of this case, it remains to be seen what other evidence we hear, what other witnesses and testimony will be heard that were not heard in Michael Morton's original trial 26 years ago. We're in San Angelo. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.